Welcome to the BMW iX4 is finally here, bringing a bold new design, advanced technology, and a refined driving experience. Toyota has taken an already reliable and efficient sedan and made it even better with enhanced performance, upgraded safety features, and a more comfortable interior. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a fuel-efficient hybrid, or a tech-packed sedan, the latest Corolla has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore everything from its stylish exterior to its high-tech interior, powerful drivetrain, and safety features. Let's get started. Exterior features. Body panels. The iX4 features a sleek and aerodynamic body, designed not just for aesthetics but also for improved fuel efficiency and performance. Toyota uses high-strength steel to keep the car lightweight yet durable, ensuring longevity and safety. The sculpted lines and refined curves contribute to a sportier, more modern look, making the Corolla stand out on the road. Headlights. Equipped with sharp, ultra-slim LED headlights, the Corolla delivers improved visibility and a premium look. These adaptive headlights adjust automatically based on speed and driving conditions, ensuring optimal illumination at all times. The LED daytime running lights add a distinct signature to the front profile, making the Corolla recognizable even from a distance. Taillights. At the rear, the redesigned LED taillights wrap around the body, giving the Corolla a futuristic appeal. Not only do they enhance the car's visibility for other drivers, but they also contribute to energy efficiency by consuming less power. Their sequential turn signal function adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design. Grille. The Corolla's front grille has been reimagined with a bolder and more aggressive design. A wider stance and a honeycomb pattern improve airflow to the engine, optimizing cooling and aerodynamics. The blacked-out grille option on sportier trims adds a sleek, modern edge to the car's personality. Mirrors. Aerodynamically designed side mirrors provide a balance of style and functionality. They come equipped with integrated turn signals and are power adjustable, ensuring convenience for the driver. Heated mirrors are available on higher trims, preventing fog and ice buildup during colder months. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Toyota has upgraded the Corolla's seating for maximum comfort. The front seats offer better lumbar support, while the available leather-trimmed options provide a more luxurious feel. Rear seats are spacious, with ample legroom for passengers, and select trims include heated seats for added comfort during winter drives. Dashboard. The redesigned dashboard features a minimalist yet modern design. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a streamlined layout enhance the premium feel of the cabin. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle information with customizable display options. Infotainment system. At the center of the dashboard sits a high-resolution 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. The built-in voice assistant and navigation system make controlling music, calls, and directions easier than ever. Climate control. The dual-zone automatic climate control system ensures personalized comfort for both the driver and passengers. Rear seat air vents improve airflow throughout the cabin, making long drives more enjoyable. The system also features an air purification function to maintain a clean and fresh interior environment. Steering wheel. Wrapped in premium leather, the Corolla's steering wheel is designed for comfort and control. Integrated buttons provide easy access to cruise control, volume adjustment, and hands-free calling. Heated steering is available on higher trims, ensuring a warm grip during cold weather. Powertrain components. Engine. The 2025 Corolla comes with a 2.0-liter dynamic force engine, producing an efficient blend of power and fuel economy. With improved thermal efficiency, it delivers responsive acceleration while maintaining Toyota's reputation for reliability. Transmission. A smooth shifting CVT, continuously variable transmission, ensures a seamless and efficient drive. For those who enjoy a more engaging experience, a 6-speed manual transmission is available on select trims, adding a sporty touch to the Corolla's performance. Hybrid option. Toyota continues to lead in hybrid technology, and the Corolla hybrid variant offers impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The hybrid system intelligently switches between gas and electric power, optimizing performance for city and highway driving. Exhaust system. A refined exhaust system enhances both efficiency and engine sound. The sportier trims come with a dual exhaust setup, giving the Corolla a more aggressive tone while maintaining fuel economy. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Corolla with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. This ensures maximum protection in the event of a collision. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Toyota's latest safety suite includes an upgraded pre-collision system, detecting pedestrians and cyclists even in low-light conditions. Lane departure alert with steering assist helps keep the car centered, while adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from vehicles ahead. Parking assist. The available parking assist system uses sensors and cameras to help drivers navigate tight spaces. The 360-degree camera provides a bird's-eye view, making parking effortless and reducing blind spots. Blind spot monitoring. This feature alerts the driver of vehicles in adjacent lanes, reducing the risk of accidents during lane changes. It's especially useful